Welcome back to yet another episode of NYFP Presents This Week in Wall Street History. I'm your host, James Sweeney. This week we will be talking about Netscape Communications, formerly known as Netscape Communications Corporation, or informally known as just Netscape, which was a U.S. computer services company best known for its web browser and for being a pioneer in internet web browsing. Its headquarters were in Mountain View, California, and its name was a trademark of Cisco Systems that was granted to the company. As the internet continued to grow throughout the early 1990s, so did Netscape. Users were in the millions and its popularity was through the roof. That popularity and widespread customer base for the time allowed Netscape to say, "Let's go public." And so, on August 8, 1995, Netscape did just that. The company listed at $28 a share on the Nasdaq, marking at that time the third largest ever IPO on the exchange. Netscape soon became the first IPO from the internet sector to double in value during its first day of trading. Shares of Netscape shot as high as $75 and ended that first day at $58.25 per share. Although the company had yet to book any significant profit, it offered investors access to its new mass medium, the web. However, that joy for Netscape was indeed short-lived, because just 1 year after listing its IPO, the company was then trading at around $30 a share. Netscape's web browser was once dominant in terms of usage share, but the company lost most of that share to Internet Explorer during what is now labeled the first browser war. In the mid-1990s, Netscape's browser usage accounted for nearly 90% of all browsers, but by the end of 2006, the usage share of Netscape browsers has fallen to less than 1%. Netscape Communications was soon to merge with America Online in March 1999 in a tax-free stock swap valued at roughly $4.2 billion US. And on July 15, 2003, Time Warner, formerly known as AOL Time Warner, decided to pull the plug on Netscape. All of its programmers were laid off and the Netscape logo was removed from the building.